I'm going to be sharing with you 6 cold appetizers today. I am so excited to share this video with you. You know how much I love appetizers if you've been around my channel. So I love all of these, and they're cold appetizers. So you do not have to worry about pulling these out of the oven and getting them straight to your guests right away while they're still warm and perfect. So these can be served cold, which I love. So if you're going to a function, you want to bring something that you don't have to worry about it being warmed up right when you're going to serve to your guests. These are really, really great options. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. I love sharing my quick, easy, delicious recipes with you. I know you're gonna love these appetizers, so let's get going with them. This appetizer is so easy and so delicious. I have 2 of these Boursin cheeses. This is garlic and herb cheese. Absolutely love these. They are just full of flavor. So it's a nice soft spreadable cheese. So I'm just kind of mashing it down onto my platter, and I did use 2 containers, and you can use 1 if you want to make a smaller batch. So now I'm going to drizzle on honey. It's a really good combo with this Boursin cheese. And now I have some pistachios. I got the ones that are already out of the shell, so I can just put these right on top. You can even crush these a little bit if you wanted to. Serve with your favorite crackers, and this is so good. I'm using these little pita crackers, and they're delicious with this dip. So I'm going to be making, this is a roasted red pepper dip. I have cream cheese, I have half a cup of mayonnaise, and my cream cheese is a little bit softened at room temperature, so it's gonna mix nice with the mayonnaise. I'm going to add in some onion powder. This is really easy, about a teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to add in some salt, and I have some diced green chilies that I'm going to add in. I have my roasted red pepper. I'm going to use 1/4 cup of roasted red pepper. And I have some shredded Monterey Jack cheese. I'm going to use 1 cup of the shredded cheese. This dip is really addicting, really super easy, and you can serve this with lots of different things. I love to serve it with tortilla chips. You can do Fritos corn chips or any kind of cracker that you like. Add on some parsley on top, and you are all set. So good. I'm going to be making some pinwheels, and I have these green wraps, these green spinach wraps. This is going to be a turkey pinwheel. So I have my cream cheese. So I'm going to spread a nice even layer over the tortilla. And I like to use this bigger wrap size tortilla, so you can add more into this. And I love this green spinach one. It has a lot of really good flavor, but you can use your favorite kind of wrap or tortilla. So I'm adding in a slice of turkey, and now I have some dried cranberries. This is such a yummy combination, really super simple. And now I'm just gonna roll up this tortilla, and then I am going to make a bunch of these, as many really as you wanna make. I'm gonna use as many as I can with the sliced turkey that I have. And then once these are all rolled up, I'm going to roll them into some foil, and I'm going to chill these in the refrigerator overnight. So you're going to want to make these ahead of time, which is another thing I really love about pinwheels, is you make them the day before, and then you don't have to worry about making any appetizers right before you have to go to a function or have people over. So a really awesome make ahead appetizer are these. So I'm going to roll this nice and tight, put these in the refrigerator overnight, and then when I am ready to serve them, I'll cut them into some small little pinwheel shapes. So just love that it's make ahead, and you can just be stress-free and not have to worry about making this appetizer right before your function. So after these have chilled overnight, I am now going to unwrap these, and you can wrap them in cellophane or foil, whichever you have, whichever works for you. So I'm using a serrated knife, and I'm going to cut these into the little pinwheels. So these are super good, really just yummy. The combination of the turkey and the cream cheese and the dried cranberry, the sweetness of the dried cranberry is so good. So these are a huge hit. They will just fly off the plate. Nice and healthy too, nice and light, a really good cold appetizer. So I have these already made little crostini bread rounds, and they're so convenient if you can find these at your store. They have them at most grocery stores, but I get these at my Walmart. So I'm going to use this Boursin cheese, and it is just amazing. I use it a ton, and it's just good on so many different things. So I'm going to spread a layer onto each little bread crostini piece. Once I have the Boursin all spread it on, I am going to add some pomegranate seeds. These are so yummy, really good combination with the Boursin cheese. And now I'm going to drizzle with some honey, another really awesome thing that gives this an amazing flavor. These are so easy, a great cold appetizer. I'm going to be making a dip. This is a TikTok viral dip, TikTok viral boat dip. So it is sour cream. So I'm using the whole container of sour cream. It is Rotel tomatoes. I use the Rotel with the diced green chilies, and just going to pour the whole can right into there with the sour cream. I have some taco seasoning. I'm going to use this whole packet of taco seasoning, and I have some shredded cheddar cheese. I like the finely shredded cheese, but you can use whichever kind you like. I'm going to use 1 cup of this, and super easy. Just these 4 ingredients, and this dip is so addicting. It is so delicious. So you can make this ahead of time. You can make it the day before, which I love. That's what I really like about cold appetizers, is you can make them ahead of time, get everything all cleaned up, and then you're just ready to go. Serve these with tortilla chips or corn chips, and it is so good. So I have these cracked pepper and olive oil Triscuits. Tons of flavor in these Triscuits, and there's a lot of different things you can do with these. So I'm just going to layer them onto my platter, and I'm going to use some whipped cream cheese, or you can use some regular whipped cream or regular cream cheese and just have it at room temperature, the regular cream cheese. So I'm going to just put a little layer onto my Triscuit, and then once I have this cream cheese on here, I'm going to be adding a sliced strawberry, and this combination of the cracked pepper olive oil Triscuit with the cream cheese and the strawberry is seriously so good. These are so fun to make, so easy. All of these appetizers are really easy. If you enjoy easy recipes, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you put a like on this video also if you are enjoying it. Drizzle with some balsamic glaze, and these are so good, refreshing, and delicious. I hope that you loved these cold appetizer recipes. I hope that you enjoy them and make them for your next parties coming up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new, and check out my videos that are popped up on the screen right now. Have a great day. See you later.